Did you know that you can use the MailerLite iPad app to create and customize sign-up forms, add and create custom fields, and upload photos? You can even collect subscribers offline, and when the internet is connected, it will sync it to the main MailerLite account. Let me show you how. This is the dashboard of the MailerLite iPad app for lead collection. Here we can review a form that I previously created and the Form tab where I can create new forms. Here you can see the groups you have saved in your MailerLite account. Let's create a new form. Give it a name and select the group or groups you'd like your new subscribers to be added to by checking the boxes on the right side. Now that you have your new form, you can review it by clicking on it. You can add more groups or remove groups, and you can enable or disable the double opt-in, and you can also edit the design of the form by clicking the edit icon to use the drag and drop editor. I'm going to upload my logo right here and then resize and align it by using the sidebar settings. If you click on the background button, you'll be able to play around with the colors using either the grid, spectrum, or sliders. You can also create a gradient or upload a background image. It really depends on your branding and the look and feel of your site or landing page. To change the font, click on it and then choose the font from the menu on the right-hand side, and then modify and change the weight, size, color, and alignment. Each text element can be edited by clicking on it and using the right-hand menu to modify it. To modify the button, click on it and choose the color. You can use the grid, spectrum, or sliders. You can also change the font color the same way, and I recommend to stick to the same colors and fonts that you have on your website for brand consistency. To add fields, click on the Field section, and in the side menu, you can switch on all of the fields that you'd like to include in your form. These fields are generated from your main MailerLite app. To change the design, click on any of these tabs and modify the colors. To go back to the main form page, click the back arrow, and by clicking the three-dot icon on the top right, you'll be able to rename the form, export the groups of this form as a CSV file, or delete the form. In the Collected Subscribers section, you'll be able to see all of the subscribers you've collected offline. The sync function is only used after collecting subscribers offline, which means that even if the iPad doesn't have an internet connection, subscribers can still be collected and they will be stored in the app until you click sync. To start using your form and collect subscribers, click play. Now, anyone who fills out their information and subscribes to this form will automatically be added to the Collected Subscribers section. Once you're done collecting subscribers, exit the form by clicking the lock icon on the top left corner of the screen. Once the iPad is connected to the internet, click on Sync to add all of your collected subscribers to your MailerLite subscribers list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.